All right, welcome back, everyone. I did want to cover Palantir real quick because there's something interesting that I am seeing as far as the technicals, and I think we are gearing up for some more downturn on Palantir. Now, the rest of the market was definitely down today, and on a down day, you want to look and find the stocks that have had some pretty significant downturns, and when the market is green, you want to see some stocks that have some pretty significant upturns, and that shows you basically where the strength is in the market, and it'll give you even more profits for those trades to really maximize where you're going with your trades. So I brought up Palantir because of this right here, and this is the VRVP. So we have Palantir open on the Heikin-Ashi candles on the daily chart. And one thing I wanted to point out, first of all, this is the 100-day moving average, and we fell through that moving average, and that is signaling some pretty strong indication that we are going for a leg lower. You can see here where we came up, bounced off, and then we had some pretty significant downturn. And the second point is this VRVP. We fell through this floor right here. So what the VRVP does is it tracks volume at a given price point. Okay, so that really helps you lay out some really good support and resistances. And you see that right now we are looking to head lower, and we're at currently $7.38. And as we go lower, you see over here on this VRVP, if we were to fall more, the volume down here is less and less and less until even below this, but even to about $6.40 or so. So this could fall all the way down to $6.40. And so what we're looking for, and let me bring up the candlesticks, the actual price action, and let's just zoom this in real quick. What I am looking for as far as a short, what would be a really beautiful, good setup is if it came up and then was rejected off of this moving average. So it came up to retest this volume, this high amount of volume at about $7.60 or so, and then a rejection off of that. And what you would see on the TSI, I'm just going to minimize myself a little bit, bring this up. What you would see on the TSI is something similar to this. Doesn't have to be that extreme, but something where it came up, you saw that green line and then a comeback down where the green line disappears, and showing a continuation of the red candle. And I can show you an example real quick, and that would be like something like this on AMD, where we came up and then we saw a rejection once more, and we also saw it on NVIDIA right here, and NVIDIA is showing it even stronger. So let's just bring up Palantir one more time, and let's get rid of this TSI, and that would reflect coming up and then a bounce off of that moving average. And that would show a lot of other traders out there that we have a rejection, and you want to trade with the trend, right? But you want to get in at an earlier enough time. So an even better setup would be if we were higher on this TSI, but it's just because, you know, this has just been beat down for so long. And let's just bring up the weekly real quick, and let's see how that looks, because that'll also give us some indication. And yeah, you can see right here. Now I know this moving average isn't really going to do anything. I mean, you can lower the moving average. Let's put it to, let's go to 50 once, and let's see if that brings us anything. That's a little bit better. So you can mess around, maybe bring it down to the 25-day moving average. But one thing that I really like as far as a short setup on Palantir is the TSI on the weekly. So we are a little bit more overbought than we are on the daily, and we're starting to see a inflection to the downside. Now, again, this could do the opposite of what I was saying, right? Where we then see a continuation up, and this was just like a little breather. So what you would really like to see is either just some consolidation, kind of like something right over here. Let me just draw something real quick for you. Something like that, where, you know, it would maybe go like this for a little bit and then come back down, or even just a straight shot down. And when you have a straight shot down up to about here, you're going to start to see that red cloud form like this on the way down. So Palantir has some good opportunities to go down to that $6.40, $6.20 level. And I think there could be a decent amount of floor here at this level. Who knows? But if you're looking to go long on Palantir, that would maybe be a good point to start to scale in. Given the technicals, it seems like if you do want to go long on Palantir, it's a longer term hold. But there are some good things about the company, you know. I just not necessarily one that I'm going to put out as far as long-term advice. I mainly just like to look at the technicals and give my opinion of the market. And just to wrap that up, you know, that really I just want to stress, you know, don't follow any one person on YouTube just because they say the market is going in one direction or the other. This is just my opinion on the market. Everyone else out there that's putting out videos, it's just their opinion on the market. I hope you can learn something from them. I hope you can learn something from me, and I hope I can learn something from you as well. So with that said, if you like this content, you want to see more on Palantir, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see all of my latest content. Until next time, we'll see you then.